So I have a flea in my hand. Okay? Right here. Do you see it?
Yeah.
No?
No.
Okay. So the flea is going to do like 3 flicks, like boom flicks, up and down, and like 2 twerks. Yeah?
Sure.
So the flea is going to go wee and come back down. Wee! Come back down. It's wearing a jacket. And the jacket's a bit heavy. So can you hold the jacket?
What are we doing?
The jacket. Can you hold the jacket?
All right.
Hold the jacket. You got it? Okay. Now she can jump even higher and flick and twerk. Whee! You see it? You see the flea?
No.
You don't see the flea?
No.
You don't believe there's a flea in my hand? You don't believe there's a flea in my hand?
It's a no.
Why are you holding his jacket?